Hey guys, it's Ben from Currys, and today we're having a look at this impressive JVC 75-inch 4K Fire TV, and specifically how to unpack it safely. Now, big TVs are perfect for everything. Watching movies, binging TV series, gaming. We just need to make sure that when we're unpacking it, we're doing it as safely as possible, because you could risk doing some damage. Thankfully, the product and the packaging have all been designed to make this process as smooth as possible, but it is a two-person job. So I'm going to call my colleague Sophie in, who's going to give me a hand. Whenever you're laying the TV down, you want to make sure that the screen, which is on this side, is heading towards the surface that you're using. So we're just going to turn it around. So as you might have seen, we are about to use a table, but if you don't have one big enough, you can also use the packaging that the TV comes in. It's important to note that you'll need a blanket, a soft blanket on top of the surface that you're using, as well as a Phillips head screwdriver, and either a utility knife, a box cutter, or scissors will do to start the process. So we've got our TV here all boxed up and ready. Remember that 2 people are needed anytime you're carrying it and when you're unpacking it. We're going to start by cutting the bands and opening the top of the box. Take out the stand, screws, and the accessory pack. Remove all the polystyrene packaging carefully. Find one of the plastic clips and squeeze the center parts together. Gently pull it towards you to remove it from the box, then do the same for the other 3. The box has this clever design that's in 2 parts, so with a person at each end, carefully lift the top part of the box away from the base. It's got 4 carry handles underneath the protective bag, which you're going to leave on as another protective layer for the screen. Make sure you use these and only these whenever you're moving or carrying it. Most importantly, and I can't stress this enough, do not touch the screen. Make sure you've got your table ready with your blanket before you lift the TV. Carry it using the handles and place the TV screen down on your surface, making sure that it's slightly overlapping the edge. Fit the stand using the provided screws. And now you can place it in your chosen spot so that it's ready to keep you entertained. As mentioned previously, if you don't have a table big enough, you can use the packaging instead. The method is pretty much the same. So after removing the accessories and the plastic clips, remove the top piece of polystyrene and place it flat behind the box. Now gently lift the box up off the TV and undo the cardboard base. Then, using the handles, gently place the TV over the packaging. Next, use the bottom handle to lift the base of the TV up, slide the packaging off and place it underneath. Then attach the stand as previously shown. So if you would like some more info about this JVC TV, you can visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.